Bonjour, Mel here. I just want to share with you what I eat for lunch. So I just finished teaching the HIIT workout for you guys. So I'm gonna work on the video right after. So I just want to show you what I'm gonna do. So it's very quick. See, I have a tortilla, organic, and then I have hummus. Usually I make my own. I need to do it tonight. So I'm gonna spread a little bit of that. By the way, I'm vegetarian, so I'm gonna keep it veggie. And then I have as well, this is a cashew cheese that I really like. So I'm gonna spread half of it as well. Okay, so this is fat, guys, so just be aware of that, but it's healthy fat. Okay, and then I love cucumbers. Voilà, quick. Ça va être bon, ça. Okay, and then I'm gonna add some tomatoes. I have some spinach. That's not a good one. Voila. And I have 2 little pieces of avocados. Boop. That's it. That's gonna be my lunch, okay? So I'm gonna fold that. Hopefully I won't do a mess. I'm starving, seriously. So after the workout, what I did, guys, I always have a smoothie in my fridge. So this is what I did. Voila! Bon appétit! It's very good. If you want to know how to make your own hummus, I have a video and I'm gonna share the link right here below this one. So bon appétit, guys, and see you next time.